Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use WhatsApp on phone, pro tips step by step clearly. To start using WhatsApp on your phone, first, download the app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once downloaded, open the app by tapping the WhatsApp icon on your home screen. You'll be prompted to agree to the terms and conditions. After agreeing, select your country code from the drop-down menu. Then, enter your phone number in the provided field. Tap the Next button to receive a verification code via SMS. Input the verification code once you receive it to complete your registration. Next, set up your profile by adding your name and, optionally, a profile picture. To start chatting, tap on the chat icon at the bottom right of the screen. Here, you'll see a list of your contacts who are also using WhatsApp. To initiate a message, tap on the contact's name. Type your message in the text box at the bottom and hit the Send button. You can also send photos by tapping the camera icon or the paperclip icon for multiple options. For voice messages, press and hold the microphone icon and speak your message. To create a group chat, tap the menu icon and select New Group. Add contacts to the group and give it a name before creating it. To make voice or video calls, go to the Contacts chat and tap on the phone or camera icon at the top. Explore the Status feature by tapping on the Status tab to share updates with your contacts. For privacy settings, go to Settings, then Account, and choose Privacy. Here, you can adjust who can see your last seen profile picture. To customize notifications, go to Settings, then Notifications, and adjust your preferences. Utilize WhatsApp Web to access your chats on your computer by visiting web.whatsapp.com. Scan the QR code displayed on your computer screen using the WhatsApp app on your phone. Remember to keep the app updated for the latest features and security improvements. With these pro tips, you'll be able to navigate WhatsApp with ease and stay connected effortlessly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.